Hello, Professor. This is Divya Sai Banala. So, as we have seen the previous video regarding the project, now we are continuing the working of Spring Boot here, where we can see the line number nine. Line number nine. So, this one is helping us to make the connection between the database here with the SQL. I'm showing here the SQL one, the database. Yeah. So this is the database information. I am just linking this with the Oracle driver as per this command. And now using the Oracle URL, we'll be able to give the username and password as present in our Oracle, the details same as there. So this creates a automatic connection for the server dot port number, which is of 8001. So once we'll be able to run this, it will direct to the 8001 port number. And next part will be continued by my friend Kala.
Hello, Professor. I'm Kalamrita. I'm gonna explain about the HTML CSS code here. In the header file, in the header we have the root, which is the background. Here we have customized it with some of the IDs of the color of primary, secondary, light and dark colors. Here we have the body and the secondary footer and all in the header. And when it comes to the body, here we have the navigation bar. In that we have created the project views, defining how data will be presented to users, ensuring usability and accessibility in the application interface. We have created the for every instance like the content of that table. Um, like we have prescribed drug model according to the here in the class we have the pharmacist, pharmacy, prescription, and dispensing record. We have inserted these in the views. When we run the code, we can see in the views. Yeah, and run as Java application. And it runs in the Spring Boot. As the connection gets established, we can see the view records here. We can see the prescribed drug, no XYZ insurances and all. Here we can see the drug names and the patient IDs. And in no XYZ insurances, we can see the drug name and patient IDs as well. In the pharmacist working, we can see the record ID, pharmacy ID, quantity dispensed, date dispensed, price, pharmacy name, phone, license number, license info. And in the prescription summary, patient ID, patient name, insurance provider, total prescription, total dispensed, max price, average price, all are shown. These are written in the HTML, like the navigation have been set. Now, my friend Bhavna will continue.
Hello, Professor. This is Bhavna Vinakota. Here we have developed, as my friend Kalamrita has explained about the fonts and everything in the HTML. Here we wrote in the view models, we wrote everything, the views we have seen here about the prescriber, drug, no XYZ insurances, pharmacist working, prescription description, prescription summary, sorry. Everything we wrote in the body part as the view records. Later, we have developed everything in the patient operational model. Everything we have wrote, the buttons will be operating as the navigation one. Here we can update everything like add, update, and delete everything in this. We can add whatever the patient records or insurance provided available for the patients. Here, if we add in this, we can update both the records in the Spring Boot and database because both are connected with the JDBC. Here now I will show the output of this project. Here, insurance. And insurance name. Phone number. Here we are adding it. So submit. So we have been added it successfully. Next patient. If we give any normal patient ID that we have already given in the database, if we want to delete it, we can just click delete. And if we click okay, 68. Patient deleted successfully. Next, here we are adding form 18. Life insurance phone number PH 0099. We are adding it. So it has been added successfully. Next, pharmacy. We are adding ID, name, pharmacy name. Yes. License info. We are adding. Here we have added pharmacy successfully. Next one, prescription. Here we are giving the prescription about the patient. So 1, 3, 19, and dosage. Quantity. And instructions twice a day. The prescription added successfully. The next option is dispensing record. Here we are giving the record ID and prescripted one. Sorry, record ID 1, pharmacist 1, sorry 1, quantity 1, day 2024, size 79. The dispensing record also added successfully. This is the complete overview of our project. Thank you.